Oh my gosh, my big forehead. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today is going to be a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm excited to do it today. And I'm going to be doing this look. Yes, it is from Zombies 2, and I just finished watching the movie like right now. And I decided, you know what? I want to do a makeup tutorial for the makeup. I'm really obsessed with Disney movies and all that. Yeah, I'm 20 years old and I'm still obsessed with Disney movies. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to start off with applying my concealer. Normally, like, I noticed that when I do the tutorials, I'm not really talking or interacting with you guys. So today is going to be a little bit different. I'll be talking and I'll go through what I'm doing with you guys instead of just having like the normal music on and no interaction. So if you have any questions you'd like to ask me, please do write them below in the comment section. I would really appreciate it and I could answer them in the next video. So this is how the tutorials will be going from now on. So yeah, I'm going to be starting off with my concealer. I'm wearing a wig today, courtesy to my mom. It's my mom's wig. It's not mine. I don't own a wig. But yeah, they're having a really bad hair day. Okay, so I just wanna like check I just wanna check how it looks like. Okay, so this shouldn't be hard. It can't be hard. It shouldn't really be hard, right? So it's like from there to there. Oh, it's very dramatic eyeshadow, purple. Love purple. Um, mm, from there and to there. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the concealer. Normally, well, you know what? Some people use the flat sponge, and some people use the egg. Today, I feel like going with the flat sponge. Lately, I've been liking the flat sponge for some odd reason. I feel like it allows me to blend way more better. And this is my foundation. I always use MAC. Always. Okay. Oh my gosh, my big forehead. Okay, well, you get to see it up close. And there you go. I'm applying my concealer right now. Hold on. Wait, I just remembered I forgot to apply something. I forgot to apply my serumizer or primer, but because I'm not really going out, I don't think I need it. So normally, like before I do this, I will apply either one of those two. Serumizer, I still don't know what it does. Yeah, but primer, I understand what it does. You let me know, like, what do you like, a serumizer or the primer before you apply your makeup? What do you guys apply before you do your concealer? Let me know in the comment section below. I do my hair from straight to off with my lower face today because I don't know, I feel like doing my lower face today. Yep. If you didn't know, I also do live streams. So if you want to talk to me live or anything like that, you can catch me on Twitch. Link down below. Yeah, I haven't been live though in a while, but I am live from time to time. There you go. And now I'm going onto my big forehead. I love my forehead though. I don't care anymore. I used to be so insecure about my forehead, but and also I'm having such bad acne lately. I don't know what is going on, so apologies for the acne. Okay, now I'm going on to my eyes. Go. Definitely have to apply concealer on your eyes, but of course, like, there's also the other concealer. I think the really bright one, I think it's the white one, eye concealer that you apply. I normally apply this and that. Some people, I've noticed, they apply the eye concealer without this one. It's okay, you can do whatever you want. We're doing this together. If you're doing this with me or you're just watching, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I would really appreciate it. hope this is blended up well. Yeah, it should be blended up well. What do you guys think? Is it blended up well? Did I do my nose? I didn't do my nose. See, this is what I love about the sponge because it really, really gets into like the tiniest areas as well. Zip up my dress, make sure it's tight, strap up my heel. Okay, this is before and after concealer. Okay, I think that's perfect. Now I'm going to apply the eye concealer. Okay, normally do it like this. How many of you use your finger? I know some people use their finger to like blend the eye concealer in. I normally like to also make, you know, like the spots. You can do whatever you want though. I just like to hear people's different opinions on how they apply their makeup. It's really interesting because sometimes like it's useful. Yeah. I know like for the flat sponges, I never like used to really like flat sponges, but then I saw my friend use an actual sponge, you know, like an actual sponge, and it blended so well. So yeah, that's how I got into the flat sponges. Go to the mirror, make sure I'm right, 'cause baby tonight we're gonna go all out, we're gonna do it our way. Okay, so you know what I just realized? Since the eyeshadow is going from there to there, I'd probably have to like, you know, do the eye concealer there as well and there. So I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows so I can shape it properly. Yeah. Okay, so I just had to tie my wig up. So I always use like a paper. If you notice, like whenever I do my makeup, it's always like that, because I use the paper to help me with the straightening. Like honestly, if you can do it without the paper, you are wow. So it's like going to form something like that. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows quickly as well. For my eyebrows, I'm using this, of course, this pencil that I got from a really rude sales assistant. You'd swear it's like she was getting paid to be rude, but anyways, that's a story for another day. Before I do that, I normally just comb my eyebrows into the shape that I want them to be in. Well, normally it's the normal shape, but yeah, I use this little comb thing. Okay, so my eyebrows are now done. They're a little bit bigger today and a little bit darker because I think it'll go well with this look. But yeah, now honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the look as I'm doing it. I just want to blend this inside here a little bit. Okay, it's not gonna work. Okay, so you're probably wondering what is going on because it's more of a dramatic look. I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer here, eye concealer, just so that, yeah, it's way more visible. And I'm gonna blend this together. Yeah, so you can see it way better when I apply the eyeshadow. Yeah, I just pretty much did a line from there where, yeah, that hook part is. I put a line from there to there with the eye concealer, and then I just added dots here. And now I'm going to do the same on the other side. We don't care what they say. Yeah, baby, tonight we're gonna dance all night. So make sure you're alright. Too nice tonight. There's something in the air that's giving fashion flair. Like that. It doesn't really have to be straight. I wouldn't say it has to be straight because, yeah, I just want to. And then where that hook part is over there, I'm just gonna do a dot there. Just right here. And I do that. And then I'm going to blend. I'm giving, I don't care. I left my matters at home. So yeah, honestly speaking, you can do it however you want to do it. This is just how I'm doing it, you know. But either way, the eyeshadow will still show. I don't want none, just only want to shine. If I was gone, it will just show more if you apply the eye concealer in the areas where you're going to be applying the eyeshadow. So that's why I like to just make, yeah. Okay, so I'm not going to do it exactly as I see it here. I'm going to try add my own. Okay, do have the purple. I have these eyeshadows colors, but yeah, I'm going to start by here and then I'll just go up. Maybe I should have just practiced this before I did the video. I really think I should have. If I mess up, we mess up together. Okay, I'm going to be using my Avon palette. Well, it's actually my mom's. Yo, this palette has been here for like, I think more than a decade. This has been around. This has been around. Yeah, this is, she's old enough to be my sister. So I'm just going to be using this one. Look, it's even finished, almost finished. Oh. So I'm applying this one like you normally would. So what I'm going to do is I'll apply like I normally do. I'll just apply it on my eyes. And then when it comes to the other one, the other bright one, I'll just apply it like right here. That's what I normally like to do. But now I'm back with a smile. I see you staring at me, staring at me. When I count to three, that's how it'll be. When it comes to tomorrow, don't know each other. Unspoken agreement. 1, 2, 3. Cause baby tonight, we're gonna go all out. We're gonna do it our way. Almost has that shape. I just need to fix this up a bit. Almost has that shape. Almost. We're almost there. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the side of my face. Like this. Just like that. I don't feel like it's showing. Oh, there it is. Showing now. Okay, I just need to be a little bit hard. Okay, so you probably can't see it that much, but it is coming together over here. You guys can see my hairline now. Okay, oh, the mosquitoes are out. The mosquitoes are. It's summer. Okay. Mosquitoes are not playing. Like, do they ever sleep? Do they ever sleep? Like, even at night, you guys are annoying. And just do it like this. Yeah. But can you see like there's a difference here? It's purple. And then over there, it's just, yeah, so it is working. We are getting there. You know what? Wait, I think I'm going to just carry on this area right here so I can get it done with it. I don't have to clean the brushes. But again, like, you are more than welcome to hashtag AMA. Ask me anything in the comments section below and I'll make sure to answer you. See, this is why I wish I was live, because then I'd be able to answer you guys live. But yeah, make sure to follow me on Twitch and we can chat there. This side looks a little bit darker, doesn't it? It looks the same, does it? So I am done with this part. I feel like this part is not as, maybe it's just me. Can you see there and there? So now I'm going to apply this one right here. And I'm just going to apply it like right over there. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and over here, that's perfect. Like this. Okay, so I think I'm done with this part over here. And I'm going to try to just put a little bit up there. Yeah, so let's try that. But remember, okay, like it doesn't have to be perfect. Especially if you're like a sort of like a beginner or something. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try to be straight with the thing. I'm gonna be straight with the yeah. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? trying to get this perfectly straight. I think this will do. I'm going all over my hairline. Okay, so I just messed this area up a bit, but I'm going to just take my concealer and just rub it off in a way. And I'm just going to rub it off into this type of shape form that I want it. Yeah, something like that. See over there? So it's not as, you know, boom, as you see in the picture. Wait, hold on a minute. So I just realized she has like a line over there. Yeah, I'm not gonna do yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I am not like some professional makeup artist. I just do makeup. Normal makeup. This looks like it. But it's not exactly the same thing, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, now I'm gonna go onto my lips. I don't know, I feel like applying glitter or something. What do you guys think? Should I apply like some glitter? You guys can't even really see until this video is all over. You guys can't really see until this video is over. So yeah, do you see? Like it's almost sort of looking like that. Sort of. So far, like, what would you rate it? I'd say I'd give it like a 5 or 6. You let me know, like, what do you guys think so far? Okay, I'm not going to apply blush or anything. I'm just going to apply my eyeliner and my mascara. Maybe just darken up my eyebrows on the side. And then, yeah, I'm going to do like a photo shoot or something. Let me just do eyeliner and mascara and, oh, lips. So what I love about this look, there isn't really that much eyeliner. I feel like all the attention is on the eyeshadow more than, you know, the eyeliner and all that. So that's perfect, because I suck at doing eyeliner. I really suck at it. Honestly, if you have any hacks on how to do the perfect wing shape, I would really appreciate it. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it. You know, like seriously, you'd be saving my eyeliner life, my eyeliner life, whatever. But I'd really appreciate it. So let me know. Mascara, I always like to use So Dramatic Kangol. I like this product. The Kangol product, I really like their eyeshadow as well. The darker eyeshadow range. So yeah, you can check Kangol out. I think they're in Truworths if you're in South Africa. They're a brand from Truworths. And if you're watching and you're from South Africa, put the South African flag there. And me personally, I do not like fake eyelashes. For me personally, again, it's me. I don't like to put on fake eyelashes. Hate them. I just no, I like my own eyelashes small. Doesn't matter. Yeah. That is just me. Okay, so I did apply my eyeliner and my mascara. I don't think you can see it much there, but yeah. What else? Lips. Okay, lips. I'm going to apply like a red lipstick. I'm gonna use my NexGard my NexGard lip balm from work. Yeah, but you let me know, like, how did the look go for you if you did it. I like hearing from you guys, so do make sure to comment. And if you're liking the video so far, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so motivation of the day would be to make sure that whatever you are doing, you are doing for yourself and you're not doing for anyone else. Make sure that you're doing it for yourself, and that's because your happiness is way more important, because you can't really be living for other people. You need to live for yourself. This is your life. You only get one life, and yeah, that's it. Style up my hair, my wig.